eTrans Systems specializes in the development of sophisticated connected vehicle solutions. Using dedicated short-range communications, or DSRC, technology, major improvements can be made to vehicle safety. The U.S. Department of Transportation is working on the publication of a mandate that requires that all new cars have DSRC technology embedded in the car. These safety devices will allow for vehicle-to-vehicle, or V2V, communication between vehicles. With this communication, the vehicles and their drivers will receive information about other nearby vehicles and will be able to react earlier to potential issues and thus increase safety on the roads. In our example here, we have a car and an ambulance approaching a blind intersection. With V2V communications, the red car is notified about the approaching ambulance and is able to stop at the intersection and let the ambulance pass. Today's reality, however, is that very few vehicles have DSRC technology, and it will be years before the majority of them do. Consequently, innovative solutions such as the eTrans Camera Detector are required. With eTrans Camera Detector solution, a camera is mounted in an area of interest, such as a blind intersection. The camera is pointed at the area of interest, and then using patented technology for vehicle detection, the camera watches for oncoming vehicles. Once a vehicle is detected, a message is routed to a DSRC Roadside Unit, or RSU. The RSU then interprets this message and generates a set of new messages to simulate those of an oncoming vehicle. The same technology can also be used to detect pedestrians. Through DSRC, these messages are routed to vehicles with the technology, such as the ambulance in this example. This allows the ambulance to take an appropriate action to avoid a crash. The camera and the roadside unit, or RSU, are mounted outside, and the camera is configured to look at the road. As the camera monitors the road, the analytics is looking for either pedestrians or vehicles. Once the camera does the detection, it reports that information in the form of a message to the RSU. We now see what this would look like from the eTrans system monitor screen. Our test vehicle, vehicle number 1, heads north. DSRC technology allows it to see the upcoming traffic light. The camera then detects the other, non-DSRC equipped vehicle coming from the left. The eTrans V2V safety applications embedded in the DSRC equipped vehicle then warn the driver of the car coming from the light, allowing the driver to make adjustments to avoid a collision. In this display, we see the same potential collision, except for this time, we are seeing it from the perspective of the display in the DSRC-enabled user's car. Warnings from the system allow the driver to take corrective action to avoid the collision. eTrans Systems specializes in developing innovative connected vehicle solutions. For more information, please contact us via email at info@etransystems.com.